Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we are delving into VOO. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 10th of December, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 5th of November, 2024, our system has ranked VOO as a hold or accumulate, awarding it a score of -0.23. Now let's examine the ETF's performance during this time. The ETF has experienced natural fluctuations, reflecting an overall gain of 4.57%. This results in an average return of 0.18% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a narrow and modestly rising trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further upward movement within this trend. The present 3-month trend points to a potential change of approximately 7.62% over the next 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging between 4.74% and 8.74%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of around 25.77% over the coming year, with possible returns between 17.05% and 27.01%. This suggests a price range of approximately $648.81 to $704.03 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for VOO includes the headline, VOO ETF downgraded from buy candidate to hold accumulate after Tuesday trading session. The VOO ETF price decreased by approximately 0.277% on the last day, Tuesday, the 10th of December, 2024, dropping from $555.86 to $554.32. During the last trading day, the ETF experienced a fluctuation of 0.594%, with a low of $553.57 and a high of $556.86. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by nearly 0.93% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume decreased on the last day alongside the ETF price, which is generally a positive indicator, as volume should align with the ETF. On the last day, the trading volume dropped by 503,000 shares, with a total of 4 million shares exchanged for approximately $2.02 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $559.96, while the lowest was $423.27. Currently, the price stands 1.01%, or $5.64, below the 52-week high of $559.96, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. Recently, the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, commonly referred to as VOO, has been influenced by a blend of market sentiments and forecasts. On the 10th day of December, the S&P 500 dipped by roughly 0.1%, signaling a cautious market atmosphere as investors respond to economic indicators, including an impending consumer price index report. Analysts hold a positive outlook for the year 2025, with some projecting that the S&P 500 could reach 7,000, propelled by robust fundamentals and overall market gains. Market sentiment exhibits a buy-on-the-dip strategy, as investors are eager to seize opportunities in a mixed environment. Adjustments in the S&P 500, such as the forthcoming inclusion of Apollo Global and Workday, introduce additional dynamics, potentially enhancing the index's performance in the future. The Fear and Greed Index, while neutral, indicates a stabilizing sentiment, which is vital for long-term investment strategies. In the near term, VOO's price may undergo fluctuations due to economic data releases. However, the optimistic outlook for the year ahead could stabilize and bolster its value over time. As analysts grow more bullish on the S&P 500, VOO could experience increased inflows from investors seeking exposure to the expected growth in large-cap stocks. Overall, the outlook for VOO remains encouraging as it aligns with broader market trends, positioning it for potential gains in 2025. The following signals have been identified for VOO. The VOO ETF currently holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average, while simultaneously receiving a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the ETF, suggesting a positive outlook. Should the ETF experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $556.51. Conversely, if it declines, support will be found from the long-term average at about $543.69. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will result in a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, December 6, 2024, and thus far, the ETF has decreased by 0.81%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 21 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 26 days ago. Upon examining the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal 25 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 88 days ago. For more insights and signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. VOO finds support from accumulated volume at $543.36. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and due to its good liquidity, the risk associated with this ETF is considered very low. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated by $3.29 between its high and low, which represents a change of 0.594%. Throughout the last week, the ETF has experienced an average daily volatility of 0.478%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at $554.98. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the ETF, this could be a significant level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, VOO encounters its first support level at $543.36. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $532.97, representing a decline of 3.85%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits very low daily fluctuations, which translates to minimal risk. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is VOO ETF a good buy? VOO holds several positive signals, but we still do not find these to be sufficient for a buy recommendation. At its current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, suggesting you might want to hold or accumulate more shares while waiting for further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis from a buy to a hold or accumulate recommendation since our last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 11th of December, we expect VOO to open higher by approximately 59 cents and start trading at $554.92. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day with regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.